Guys, good afternoon guys. So now guys, we have a cylinder head for the gap for cylinder. So we check the valve leak. So can you see I already put a X mark, so meaning that valve is not good, have a leak. Okay, so now if you see this side, this is for the intake. Okay, so you see the gasoline coming out. I put in the intake side. So now I put more. Okay. Okay. So now, so to make it from number 4, number 1. So for intake, so this side, the if you make you spray air and then let the gasoline direct coming. Okay, so also this valve and this. Okay, and this valve will slowly coming, but too much is this and this. Okay, so now all valve have leak, but too much leak is this number 2, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, this number 1, and it is slowly. So it's better if we final set again. Okay, this is for intake. So the exhaust, I check also. See the grease. This side first, when I put gasoline in the intake port, so the gasoline not coming out. But when I remove the grease, so the gasoline direct coming out. So this valve not good, need to set again, need to setting again. Okay, so now guys, we're in the exhaust part, exhaust valve. So we will check have leak or no. Okay, so now I already put gasoline the exhaust port. Now you cannot see gasoline coming from this side. Okay, but I did not clean the grease. I did not remove the grease. So now maybe 10 minutes no gasoline coming out, but the grease still in the valve. So now I remove this grease and see what happened. Okay, guys, so now guys, I already clean, I already removed the grease. So now as you can see, if you can see, this valve have gasoline coming, and this also. Okay, and this, but okay, so now no gasoline coming out. Maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes, yani slowly, not the same in the intake valve. When you apply air, and then the gasoline coming direct. Okay, but this valve, yani not the same in the intake. They have leak, but yani slowly. And then if this leak, this leak is it's a little, so I can consider this valve is good, because after this fixing and break in the car, so it will be fit. Okay, it will be fit. So, this is not 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 scared about this lake because it's small, okay? But when you see the intake, the intake side, you need to repeat reset, okay? So this no leak, and this and this and this, okay? Only this one and this one, and after maybe 10 minutes, this valve, the gasoline coming out, okay? But now, as you can see, but a little, okay? So I already put also mark if the machine shop repeat or reset, so it's good. If not, no problem. But this side need to reset, okay? This. Okay guys, so thank you guys. I will update to you guys uh, after this valve is reset. Okay, thank you guys.